Going on, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. I'm using OBS today, so let's see if it is any smoother, any better, any more crisp. Um, Good movement today. Unemployment claims today at 8:30. PMI tomorrow. Market is moving off of demand. Market is in similar area to Tuesday. I like weakness short pre-market. Targets remain the same from Tuesday, which was 59.98 and 59.36. Initial interest will be on movement and volume. Minute volume and 5-point volume. Need to know if it's moving quicker or not. Sellers aggressively selling at VWAP. And then volume is legit. Be careful of taking big losses. Have to be precise. At 59.70, I drew out this level. This was a little bit of a level where we had consolidated volume pre-market. We quickly sold below. I marked this out. I saw it rejecting this again, and I missed on the short targeting 36, which was very tough. Very, very, very tough. So I sat through this. I was looking for, the market's still early, it's still 9:50. So I'm like, the market is early, we could see demand play here. Off this zone, equal and opposite reaction the other way. I'm looking for a target. I got 59.75, but me trying to be cautious and get out and not miss my targets. 73.50 is my target right here. And I'm now in a long. I tried a short. It wasn't really the setup I was looking for, but I thought it was honestly an easy trade to capitalize on. And the fact that it stopped me out, I started to say, okay, maybe the bottom was put in. That's what I kept telling myself, is the bottom put in? Part of me was convinced no. I was not convinced the bottom was put in, but it very well could be. So I'm gonna let this play out. I'm looking for 73.50 test, equal and opposite reaction the other way. 75 is an area of very low volume. I think the market's got good movement into it. Is it going to do that though? Who knows? Who really knows? I think this is a pretty bullish indication, right? The fact that we broke above this level. I think of these as like channels, or I'd like rungs, maybe rungs. So this is a level, volume, broke below. So broke this rung, right? Sellers have to keep it below this. They don't want it to keep buying above and moving higher. So I take this as a bullish indication, and I took, if it stays below that, as a bearish indication. So my short, I believe, was right there. The second test of that level, and it failed. Yes, right there. I got in at, I saw reject again. I'm like, all right, but it got stopped out for, what is that? Probably 4 points. 3.75 points. So I'm gonna let this play out. This target, I might consider moving to 70. I just have to be careful, right? If I'm seeing buyers becoming weak, I don't want to be in this. Take my profit, but I like what they're doing. I like what they're doing. Most of the time I'm not going for a long entry after seeing that big 30-point drop the other way, but the fact that it was so early in the market, we were down here 10 minutes into the market opening, and I said, this thing's got more movement to make today. So I'm probably gonna leave it there. We're gonna hope this plays out. I feel pretty confident in it, I think you can tell by the fact that I was reading off that plan and I was not even paying attention to what was going on. So, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna keep a close eye on the 70. Let's just execute this together. It looks like it's moving that direction now. Let's see. I mean, this is exactly what you want. Gotta be careful around this 70 though. We just rejected that. Man, that looks so good. Do I need to be careful right here? This is the level I'm kind of looking at, this 65. Tested this high 3 times now. This is where I would look to exit, right? Up 15 plus points. If it's not gonna move higher, then I want to get out before it starts moving lower. And look at that. Look at that.
Order filled.
Out of that 70. Let's go. That is a 20. I'm up 20 points altogether on the day. So, God bless y'all. Thank you so much.